trying to escape, y'all. Buddy trying to escape.
And now this keeps like face of the claw. Don't get hit. I like to tell people to mark it on the bottom.
Oh, that's cool. Ooh, Farmers Market in Lawrenceville, Georgia. Butterfish, blue runner, parrotfish, shit, strawberry grouper. Yeah, oh snap. Whoa. That's hard right there. Look at this parrotfish, y'all. Whoa, never seen nothing like this, y'all. Yeah, that's raw. Look at the tail. Sheesh. Yeah, that's hard. That's hard. Parrotfish. Would y'all eat that? Hey. I'd be up in here fighting too. I'd be bored.
This thing back there, how am I be able to
Just chilling, huh? Look at Buddy. Beautiful out here, man. We in Conyers, Georgia. Had to pull up, man, cheapest pizza, fries, wings and things, salads, Phillies, all type of stuff to eat, man. For the low, DeVito's in Conyers, Georgia. Y'all gotta stop by. We definitely gotta show y'all what's it about. DeVito's, Conyers, Georgia. Good food, for the low. Let's check it out.